Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install the Sublime Text Editor on Debian 12 operating systems. Go to Activities, verify whether we have any default or pre-installed Sublime comes with Debian operating system. See, we don't have anything with Sublime. Open any browser, then go to Sublime official website, that is sublimetext.com. Hit enter, click on download, then click on Linux repos. Then click on apt. See, we have to run these commands. So first we have to install GPG. Copy it. Run these commands one by one. Go to here. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password. Hit enter. It is done. See here we have two types of channels. Stable and development. So always recommended to select the stable one. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. It is done. Control A. Next install the Sublime Text Editor. Sudo apt get install Sublime -text. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Okay, now go to applications, show applications, then search for Sublime. See here we have the Sublime Text Editor. Click on it. See, we have the Sublime Text Editor. If we go to help, about Sublime Text, see this is the build number. Okay, close it, close it. So we have successfully installed Sublime Text Editor on Debian 12 operating system. But the process is same on all Debian operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.